Ecwid is a versatile e-commerce platform that allows you to easily set up a dropshipping store. Here's a concise guide on how to use Ecwid for dropshipping. Sign up and install Ecwid. Create an Ecwid account and install the Ecwid app on your website platform. Configure store settings. Set up your store by configuring basic settings like currency, shipping, and tax information within the Ecwid dashboard. Add products to your store. Explore Ecwid's dropshipping integrations, which often include popular suppliers. Add products to your store without physically handling inventory. Integrate dropshipping suppliers. Connect Ecwid to dropshipping suppliers or use Ecwid's built-in dropshipping features. Ensure seamless order fulfillment and shipping directly from suppliers to customers. Customize your store. Personalize your store's appearance using Ecwid's design tools. Create a professional and branded storefront. Optimize product listings. Craft compelling product descriptions and use high-quality images. Optimize titles and details for search engines. Set up payment and shipping options. Configure secure payment gateways and offer a variety of shipping options to cater to your customers. Promote your store. Utilize Ecwid's marketing tools to promote your dropshipping store. Leverage social media, email marketing, and SEO to drive traffic. Monitor analytics. Keep track of sales and customer behavior through Ecwid's analytics. Use data insights to refine your dropshipping strategy. Provide customer support. Offer excellent customer service to build trust and credibility. Address inquiries promptly and ensure a positive shopping experience.